how to set Zoom meeting password. First, you want to simply open the Zoom application, and once inside your Zoom app, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on schedule over here. So that you'd be able to see all kinds of settings over here of your starting meeting, your end of your schedule, and you'd be able to change your meetings name as well from here. After that, if you want to set any kinds of password to the meeting, you want to simply scroll down until you see an option called security over here. You want to simply tap on meeting settings over here on this event section, and inside your meeting settings you'd be able to see an option called security, and under here you want to simply click on passwords. You'd be able to select your passwords over here. And once you type it out your password, you want to simply go back from here, and as you can see, I have successfully set a new password to the meeting. You want to simply tap on save, and by doing so you'd be able to schedule your meeting over here, and only people with the passwords will be able to join the meeting. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.